It is Christmas Eve, and I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. Hope you guys are having a good time. I'll let you know how my day's been going so far on Christmas Eve. So one of the first things I did on Christmas Eve was get some of my gift wrapping done. Yes, I did wait till the last day. And after I got some of the gift wrapping done, I went ahead and went on Facebook Marketplace and eBay to see if I can find the last second Christmas deal. And I did come across this $280 6800 XT, and I offered $250. The buyer seemed to be willing to take it, but I was an hour and a half away and he didn't seem willing to wait for me. So I didn't get this GPU. I really didn't find any other deals, but that's okay. But today in this video, I am upgrading my own personal PC. As you can see here, it is upgrading a graphics card, and I will be also upgrading the RAM. Now, I was able to get this graphics card for a total of $200, and this is the 6700 XT. My original PC came with the 5500 XT, and I built this one back in like 2020 or 2021. And that was also like during COVID, and all the prices for computer parts and everything was extremely high. So I ended up paying $250 for my 5500 XT back in like 2020 or 2021. And I paid $200 today for a 6700 XT, and I should get a major performance boost. And here is the 5500 XT that was in my personal build. I kept it in pretty good shape besides the dust. That's easy to clean off with some alcohol. But I kept it in pretty good shape. I don't know what I'm going to do with it just yet. I don't know if I'm going to put it in the build or I'm going to sell it on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. So I just wiped off as much dust as I possibly could. I didn't have an air duster, so I just got some napkins. I didn't wet it. I just got some dry napkins and knocked all the big dust off, the clumps of dust I cut off. It looks way better now than it did before. But I'll buy another air duster when I go back to work on Thursday. And then I'll spray this down with that air duster and it should look brand new. But let's get the RAM and the GPU installed. Now that I actually have everything plugged in, I can see if it turns on and gives me a post. Let's hope it does. Let's hope I don't run into any issues. Let me move this over here. And lights turn on. That sounds like my fans. I should post. I see the white light on the PC. Keyboard and mouse turns on. There it is. Next thing I'm gonna do is update the drivers for this GPU, the 6700 XT, and I want to see how it performs as well. So I did just find an issue with this graphics card that I just bought. Let me show you guys. Yeah, that noise is coming from the GPU fans. I'm gonna have to replace those. I wish the guy would have told me that. I would have asked for a cheaper price, but I should be able to fix it. I gotta find some fans on eBay, but that's gonna be a little bit annoying. So as far as benchmarks go, I did decide to test out two games. The first one is Marvel Rivals, which is one of my most favorite games to play right now. And then I decided to do Black Ops 6 multiplayer just to get a feel for it. I haven't played it in a long time, but I figured this was the perfect time to test it. What you're seeing is 1440p Marvel Rivals gameplay, and as you see, I'm getting around 90 frames right now. And as further I move along to get more space, I am getting higher frames. It's over 100. And I get a couple kills here with Bucky, who's also my favorite character. So for 1440p, around 100 frames is really good. And it's 10 times better than what I was getting on my 5500 XT. I was normally getting around 60 frames at 1080p. So that's a massive upgrade for me. In Black Ops 6, I did decide to test this as well. As you can see in the settings, it's 1440p. And the monitor goes up to 240 Hertz. And I changed the graphic preset to Ultra instead of Extreme. I played one game on Extreme and I was only getting around 60 frames per second. Now hopefully nobody takes the time to cook me in the comment section about my COD gameplay. I haven't played COD really since Marvel Rivals came out, and I haven't touched it at all. But as you see, I'm getting around 120 frames at the top left as I get dropped. I don't know why I actually had on the frames for COD as well and MSI Afterburner, but I just noticed that as I'm getting killed left and right. It's very hard to streak on this map. I haven't played this map that often, the Stakeout 24/7. It's a fun map. I haven't played it that often. But my aim isn't where it needs to be, but I am getting around 120 frames. The 6700 XT is working beautifully for me. It's very smooth. The 12 gigabytes of VRAM is definitely helping it out. So I think it's a great upgrade for my own personal build. It's running smooth for me and I'm in love with it. So let me know down in the comment section what other games I should try to test in the future.